So good morning. We're going to make chili today. I'm not much of a video editor, so I'm just going to take little pieces of video and shove them all together, but you'll see what I make it out of. So here we kind of have the vegetable matter it's going to be made out of. About 5 jalapenos, 5 serranos, an entire onion, a little bit of celery, which I know is not authentic, 3 habaneros, and a head of garlic. We're going to chop this all up, saute it a little bit in some olive oil, and we'll be back. Okay, we're back. I've cut up all the vegetables, the habanero, serrano, jalapeno, a little bit of celery, an onion, and a head of garlic. And I'm going to cook that down a little bit in some olive oil, and at the same time I'm going to sear off a pound of beef and a pound of pork, and then we'll be pretty much ready to start putting the chili together. So I'll be back. Hello, we're back. So I browned a pound of pork and a pound of beef, and I'm melting 2 cups of previously frozen homemade chicken broth. I would probably use beef broth in this, but I cook a lot of chicken, so I have a lot of chicken broth that I make from scratch. So that's what's going on there. Here's all the vegetables cooking down. I think I forgot to mention several times that there's green pepper in here, about a half of a bell pepper. But anyway, so we'll be back. Okay, to the vegetable mixture I've added the spices, about a cup of red wine, not a spice, but I added it, about 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper, a tablespoon of cumin, about a tablespoon of onion powder, about a tablespoon of habanero pepper, which I made myself. If you don't have it, no worries. Some black pepper, and about 2.5 tablespoons of chili powder. Alright, we're about to combine these for the chili. Okay, so here I've added the vegetable mixture, plus I've added a 15-ounce can of tomato sauce and a 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes and about a quart of water. So the liquid is a quart of water and about 2 cups or half a quart of chicken broth. I would use beef broth if I had it. And about 250 milliliters of red wine. I'm going to bring this to a boil, and then I'm going to reduce it to a simmer and cook it uncovered for as long as it takes to reduce down to the consistency I am looking for. Okay, so now the entire mixture, I added about a half a tablespoon of black pepper and some salt, and it's come to a slow boil, so I'm going to turn it down to a simmer, and I'm going to check it in about 20 minutes. I'm thinking this is going to take about an hour, but we'll check up on it in about 20 minutes. Okay, so now the entire mixture, I added about a half a tablespoon of black pepper and some salt, and it's come to a slow boil, so I'm going to turn it down to a simmer, and I'm going to check it in about 20 minutes. I'm thinking this is going to take about an hour, but we'll check up on it in about 20 minutes. So this is the final product, and it's very tasty, but it is kind of hot. It has a lot of chilies in it, so if that's an issue for you, use fewer chilies, maybe more bell peppers or something. But it's very good. Bye.